Hello guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to stop automatic saving in Google Photos. As we all know that there's a way your phone is going to be set, and your photos and videos are going to be saving automatically to your Google photo, which is called backup, like a backup just in case you lost your phone or your email. Sorry, it's your phone actually, not email. So you can just access your email and get all your photos and videos as well. So let's get right into the video. So first thing, you'll be in your profile, like your Google photo app, just like this, and click on your profile on your screen right there, and all you need to do is click on backup right here. So here is where you get to turn this off. If you turn it off like this, it's not going to actually turn off automatically, like immediately, because there's still a process you need to take, which is you have to click on settings and come right here. You can see mobile data usage right here. What you need to do is click on no data, and that is how you are supposed to do it. Then you come back to click on this place right here to turn this off. So your backup is being turned off, so you can only turn it on whenever you want to back up your photos and videos. If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.